Hello everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome back to our channel. So as you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And in this series, we are making a number of YouTube videos and we are also open for our live online classes. So if you want to join our live online classes, then you can find the details in the description box. So today is Sunday and let's revise what we have covered so far in this week. So we have learned how to provide the extra reinforcement in the beam, how to provide the reinforcement correctly in the slab, and how you can split the structural members. Now, what we are going to learn today? Today, we will learn how to modify your structural members. Like we will learn how to change the color of the reinforcement, how to change the size of the structural member, and also we will learn a little more modifications according to our need. So, Tekla Structures allows us to make the changes at any time of modeling. So, let's start. If you are our regular viewer, then you must be familiar with the interface of Tekla structures by now. Now let's see what are the modifications that we can do in this software after modeling. So I have modeled a slab and 4 beams. So I can make changes anytime in this software. So let's hit Ctrl+1 and change it to wireframe model. So I have already provided the reinforcement in the slab. But first of all, let's see how we can modify it. So I can delete any beam and add it at any time of the modeling. Also, I can change the dimension of the slab. Like I want to make it 200 or I can make it 400. Whatever I want, I can make the changes instantly at any point of time while modeling. Similarly, whenever you will change over here, it will also make your changes in the drawing. Now, let's make it 100. You can also change the color like this. All you need to do is to select the color code that you want and click on modify. And you can change the color of your structural member. Now let's go to the reinforcement. For the reinforcement, you can change the diameter of the bar at any point of time. Like I want to make it 20, I can make it 20. Or I want to bring it back to 8, I can do that. I can also change the color of the reinforcements like this. You can also change the hook type. You can also change the start and end point. So let's see how it will change. So these bars grew back. So it was originally 900. So I will keep it 900. So what do we learn from this? We learn that Tekla structures allows us to make changes at any point of time in the model, and automatically all these changes will reflect in your drawing. So you don't have to generate the drawings every time you make the changes. Now, if you want me to make video on any particular topic in Tekla structures, then please comment in the comment section and do like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.